Ahmed was sitting with his grandmother the day before Eid. Outside, he could hear the bleating of goats. He asked, "Grandma, why do we do Qurbani every year? Does Allah want us to sacrifice animals?" Grandma smiled and replied, "No, my dear. Allah does not need the animals. He looks at our intentions and our sincerity. Let me tell you a very old story about a prophet who gave up everything for Allah." As Grandma began to speak, Ahmed's imagination took him to another world. Suddenly, he found himself in an ancient time. There stood a noble old man, Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. He was a righteous man and beloved by Allah. One night, Prophet Ibrahim saw a dream. In it, he was sacrificing his son for the sake of Allah. The next morning, he woke up and realized this was not just a dream. It was a command from Allah. He went to his beloved son, Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him, and said, "My son, I saw in a dream that I must sacrifice you. What do you think?" Little Ismail, peace be upon him, smiled and replied, "Father, if this is Allah's command, then do it. You will find me among the patient, inshallah." Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, took his son to a quiet valley. He gently covered his son's eyes, picked up the knife, and prepared to sacrifice him for Allah. But as soon as he moved the blade, Allah showed a miracle. A large ram appeared in place of Ismail. A voice called out, "O Ibrahim, you have fulfilled the vision. This was a test, and you have passed it. We reward the righteous like this." Back in the present day, Ahmed's eyes sparkled. "Grandma, that was such a big sacrifice." And Ismail, AS, wasn't even afraid. Grandma lovingly patted his head and said, "My child, we learn from this story that Qurbani is not just about animals. We must also sacrifice our pride, our anger, and our bad habits. And the most important thing, to obey Allah, even when it's hard." Ahmed thought deeply and smiled. This Eid, I will not only sacrifice an animal, I'll also give up my anger and stubbornness. And just like that, Ahmed understood the true meaning of Qurbani, to give up everything for Allah, with love and complete trust. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.